Hi guys, Edgar Davin here from bigDAWGS. Today I want to show you something special. This is what I'm working on right now. This is a Google review plaque, and this is something that you see in many stores where you can tap with your phone and you can leave a Google review. But we have our own spin on it, and I want to show you what I did last night, and it's totally cool. It's going to change the way people leave reviews at these locations. I'm going to switch to my desk view. All right, here it is. So what is this? Basically, if you tap it with your phone, it would load up a review page. And how does it work? Inside these plaques, there is an NFC chip. NFC is the same technology that you used in the stores to pay for stuff, where you tap with your phone and you can pay for things with Apple Pay or your Google Wallet, for example. But the same technology is used to take you to different links. And in many cases in these plaques, it will take you to a Google review link. But we have a system that does a lot more, and it does the review in a different way. And we're so excited to show you. So let me tap it with my phone, and I will show you what this is all about. Now, notice we custom print everything. So this is custom printed, custom branded. This is a simple version. We are working on a heavily embellished version of the raised foil, raised UV, and all that. But that's not what I want to talk to you today. I want to show you this. So this is the custom landing page that we built. It matches the brand, and you can go to all these social links, and you can also do other things too. Go look at the menu, or order on Grubhub or DoorDash, which are these two platforms, that food delivery platforms that this chain uses. But even more stuff that we can add. Catering. This actually shows the catering options. You can look at the party package or the packages. Or if you are really health conscious, you can load up their nutritional calculator, and you can calculate everything from calories, proteins, fats, and the good stuff, carbs. Locations. They have many locations, such as an easy location finder, rewards. They have a reward program. So the possibilities are endless. Also, they do have an app, Google Play and Apple Store, and then you can click appropriately on which type of phone you have, and you can install the app. But that is just some of the stuff. This is what I worked on last night. And normally when you tap on these plaques that others would provide, it just goes directly to the Google link. It doesn't load any of this. But I was thinking last night, well, what if someone leaves you a bad review? I mean, how do you gate that a little bit? Well, here's what I thought of. So I wrote this little app that it'll ask you your feedback. So it'll ask you, out of 5, how do you rate our service, this company's service? So if you click 4 or 5, it actually does go straight to the Google review page. I could instantly leave a review or share my details. 5, same thing. But let's say you go 3, 2, or 1. Let's say I leave a 2. Did you see that? I will go back again. If I click on 2 or 1, it doesn't go to the Google review page. It actually asks you what could have been done better, or quality packing of food, for example. And you click to submit feedback. It actually loads up an email. And the reason why I have set this, we can definitely work on a form fill, but I thought this is actually a great way to help build that interaction with the customer, to help resolve maybe certain issues, speak to them. I mean, I know people don't like bad reviews or bad complaints, but this is how you get better. You communicate with the customer. So this can be done by email, or we can set it up by text message. Or again, we can do a form fill that you'll get it by email eventually, and you can check it every so often. But yeah, I mean, isn't it great that, okay, well, if they do have a complaint, it doesn't go to the Google review? All right, so in closing, if you don't have these, get one. I mean, they're so worth it. It would add a lot of reviews, a lot of social proof to your business, which means a lot of ROI. So this is a given, but make sure it's personalized. We personalize this like crazy. We have our own system where we personalize and add all these social links. You can put specials, menus, that sort of thing, and also reviews. So it's not just a review plaque. It's more like a customer engagement system. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. Bye for now.